should be on Kick, Twitch, YouTube, and now we're on Rumble. Okay. Be sure I have this ready. Got that. I'll go ahead and play the intro video.
Let's go.
Yep. All right. Right. Okay. We'll just. Is it? Is there any? Is there any sound? Let's let it play. Need to find a way to make that video longer. All right, we are live. Welcome to Market Pulse Crypto. Today is Friday, November 25th, 2024. It is Black Friday, and the crypto bull run is in full swing. Today, we're going to be looking at the markets and talking about Laika AI, and is that a potential for 100x returns? I think it very well could be. So let's dive right into the markets. Let's refresh the page. The top 10 winners of the day: Core Network up 20%, Flare Network up 18.76%, EOS up 18.66%, Algorand up 17.76%, XRP up 15.64%, Hedera Hashgraph up 14.22%, Ondo, a favorite of BlackRock, up 12.05%, Athena up 9.72%, and Flow up 8.9%. Now let's look at the top losers of the day. If you see anything you like on here, go get it because it's on sale. These sales won't last forever, so get it while the getting's good. Sandbox down 5.07%. Mantra Network down 4.71%. Decentraland down 2.20%. Akash Network down 2.14%. Radium down 1.64%. Gate Token down 1.48%. Maker down 1.40%. Phantom down 1.20%. Near Protocol down 1.15%. And Binance Coin down 1.15%. Really, what I want to talk about this stream is a gem I came across a few weeks ago called Laika AI, and it has been blowing up as of late. So let's take a look at this coin and the moves it's making. It's a fairly recent project and it hasn't seen a bull run yet. You can see it was started trading back in mid-July, and it's really just kind of blown up over the last 2 days. It's got a circulating supply right now of around 271 million coins with a max supply of 1 billion. And if you look at the token unlocks, it's not going to have the full supply in circulation until 2027. So there's plenty of time. There's plenty of time to buy, but if you want maximum gains, get in as soon as possible because this one is pumping. And it's pumping very hard. Let's take a look at the website. The first Web3 AI super app powered by on-chain data. And their strategic partners are Avalanche, Amazon Warehouse Services, Google, Covalent, and Polygon. Want to see further into the partnerships. Google incubation for Web3 and AI. I believe I saw on the X account of Laika AI that they were given a $100,000 loan to start up by Google. So that is some very good backing to have. And looking at just the market cap of this, right now it's only at a $5.73 million market cap, which is very, very small. And even the fully diluted market cap, if all of these coins were in circulation, would be 21 million. So the upside for this is absolutely unreal. Let's go to a newer website that I've come across called Coin Perspective. And that will tell you that will give you some insights into just what this project has the potential to do. So let's type in Laika AI right here. Trading at just over 2 cents. Let's ignore this because this is not going to happen. But if it did, well, that's a hell of a lot of money. Let's just assume that this coin could potentially break into the top 100. So we'll do a little bit of scrolling here. And AI is going to be a huge narrative in this bull run. Back in the 2021 bull run, the big narrative was decentralized finance, DeFi, and everything associated with DeFi was pumping, and it was pumping to the moon. This time it's going to be artificial intelligence and real world assets, RWA. But let's just assuming that Laika AI got into the top 100, it would have a $1.3 billion market cap, and the current price is just over 2 cents, like I said earlier. But if it had a $1.3 billion market cap, it would be at $4.68. That's a 222x. And that happens all the time in these markets if you're in the right projects. If you do the research, put in the time, some people can even make up to 1,000 x's. But let's just keep it somewhat conservative and assume it's a 100x, which is very doable considering this is an AI play and it's a new one. Let's look at the price action over the last week or so. This is kind of what you want to see. You want to see higher highs and higher lows, which is what we have right here. Higher high, you got the low. You've got a higher low right here, a higher low right here, higher low right here, the higher low right here. And if you want to zoom into the daily, you can see it again. Low, higher low, higher low, higher low. And then you can kind of gauge the market sentiment here on CoinMarketCap. 94% of people that visit this page are bullish on the project, rightfully so, as this is just a money printing machine right now. We'll see if it can continue this momentum over the next few weeks. But we're up 71% in volume, showing that more money is flowing into the project in terms of buying and selling. So there's a lot of activity, which is what you want to see. If you want to buy this, I would recommend Pancake Swap if you're in the United States. If you're outside of the United States, I would probably use KuCoin. KuCoin was one of my favorite exchanges until they decided not to do business in the United States anymore due to regulatory concerns. So if you're in the United States, use Pancake Swap. If you're outside of the United States, use KuCoin or Gate.io. Gate.io is another good one. I'm not too familiar with MEXC, but I would say just stick to one of these three options. Anyway, I think we'll bring in our other Our other guests. All right, so John, how do I do this again? Just go to OBS and is it desktop audio? Well, let me know if you can hear yourself. Say something stupid.
Something stupid.
Did you hear it on stream?
Yeah. Hello, test. I think we're good. What's up?
All right, guys.
George.
So what do you think? Any thoughts?
Wise words.
I mean, hopefully, in other videos, we'll go into deeper dives and look at like the X pages and things like that. But I just kind of wanted to give an overview while it's still relatively early into this project before it really starts pumping. So I mean, it's starting to pump now, but there's still a lot of potential for it to pump even further. So, but anyway, what are some other projects you guys are interested in that are accumulating? We can look at some more right
Well,
now.
I know I'm convinced now that Laika AI could do 100x.
Oh, for sure.
I second that. I'm about to go buy some right now.
I mean, it's a higher risk but higher reward, and it's gaining steam, which is key. The fact that it's gaining momentum is a very good sign right now. Let's see what else is on the watch list. Other cryptos I'm watching. Virtuous Protocol. That's one of yours, John. That's up 206%, 208% on the week.
Yes, sir. I mean, anything to do with gaming. Come on.
Let's see, when did this
The
one
gaming
launch?
industry is a desert right now. And Virtual Protocol is the oasis that we've been wanting.
Also, this is kind of what you want to see too. You want to see projects that haven't really been through a bull run yet because there's no telling what they can do. And this one hasn't been through one yet. Neither has Leica nor this one has been through a bull run yet. And you can see what it's doing right now. Right now, it's pretty much in what they call price discovery mode, when they're just kind of when no one really knows where the price is going to, or where the price is going to kind of stabilize and consolidate at. This is a good one. What was this trading at back in the summer? 3 cents? That's not even back in the summer. That's back in the beginning of fall. Could have got this one at 3 cents. What else do we have on here? This is another one I think is really interesting. XRP Healthcare. Unfortunately, there's not really anywhere for Americans to buy it because
Of course not.
all these exchanges won't let American customers sign up. So it's unfortunate. Unless you have a VPN. But even with a
It's a
VPN,
VPN.
it's the private network kind of masks your IP so that they can't tell what country you're from. But even with that, I think a lot of these have started doing KYC to where I don't know. I think MEXC you could only trade up to like 500 US dollars worth, and they made you put in like personal information after that, which is kind of blows. But yeah, this is one I'd really like to get into. I mean, that 10 cents, and it's only got a supply of around 100 million. This is a very good buy. I would say if anyone is
How
watching right
difficult
now,
is it to?
I'll go ahead.
How difficult would it be to get a VPN?
Oh, I mean, you can get free ones, but I'm not sure how good they are. I've got one right here. I pay like $10 a month. I can make it look like I'm from anywhere, pretty much in the world.
Nothing's free.
Uh,
That's interesting.
Virtual's protocol. Since I'm so new, I only put $3 in. I've made $5.60 in profit. I just wish I would have put 100 in.
I think tomorrow. I think we'll do a stream tomorrow. I think tomorrow's stream we'll go into Peak Network. I think that one's really worth looking into as well. I think all three of us are pretty excited about that one.
Yeah.
Peak? Sure.
Yeah, Peak.
I'm excited about virtuals.
It's hard not to be excited about virtuals. That's doing some work right now.
UX link. And IrisNet. And
Well, not to throw off course, but I actually don't know much about virtual. You virtual a little bit more.
Virtuals, John knows. I think John knows more about that one than I do, actually. If you want to talk about it a little bit, that's the AI
oh,
avatar,
from
right?
what I
And you
know,
mentioned gaming, right?
Yeah.
just like you can buy these AI avatars, and they interact with each other, or other people that also have AI avatars in certain games that uses this virtual protocol. I'm not sure what games are being used or what social media platforms are being used either. But let's say, like, for example, TikTok was implementing virtual protocol. And you have an AI, and maybe you interact with someone else on TikTok, and they have an AI avatar. Your avatars also interact. And since they're both AI, it's a very unique experience. And that's the bare bones. Could be wrong. I'm still new, so just trying to figure it out.
Just think about
I
crypto.
think the
There's
more
so
it goes,
much.
Well,
There's just so much to learn.
it
New
seems
things are
like
coming out
potential.
every
Be
day.
really cool.
we're only going to know more about it the more popular it gets and the more the market goes up. Once people start actually like investing in it and it becomes popular and a part of the culture.
If that can get cultivated into like something like GTA, that would be.
That would be. That's what I hear. I hear GTA 5 is looking to integrate Web3 or slash crypto in some sort of way. It wouldn't surprise me one bit if they do. If they have like limited, if there's, remember how in GTA 5 they kept coming out with like new content new cars, new updates, all these sorts of things. I'm pretty sure they're going to
Yeah,
be like,
instead of making the sixth one, yeah.
yeah. Well, GTA 6, I'm pretty sure they're going to have like something similar to like NFTs, to where like, I mean, there might only be like one unique item that like someone has, you know, like I don't know whether it's like a collectible or some sort of some
Like
sort of like weapon.
NFT.
I don't know if it'll exactly be an NFT, but it'll be something that's like unique to your character, like if that makes sense. It'd be like something that only you have, or like there's only like, or maybe there's only like 10 of them, or only like 10 players have them, something like that. Whether it's like a unique vehicle or weapon or like some kind of
They're
piece of
crazy over
clothing.
skins.
Yeah,
And I think that's the way it's gonna go. Like, look at how skins have blown up in gaming.
yeah.
Like, people don't even make games for content. They just make games and add skins and make all their money on skins. Come on now.
Pretty much.
And then like if you want to, if you own these unique skins, weapons, cars, whatever it may be, you'd be able to like sell it to someone else for like maybe like some kind of crypto or something like that. I think that's where I think that's where things are heading. Anyway,
It's like a shadow currency.
yeah. Where was this? We can look at this one real quick. I don't think I've shown. I might have shown you, Kagan. I don't know if I showed you, John, but this is a project that's like
So,
tokenized real estate,
oh yeah, I'm
where
I'm excited to see that one do well.
this land share. These guys go out and they buy properties raised off of the. Where's this at?
And that is combining the two biggest assets modern times together.
There's a way you could see their
Oh,
properties. How do you do that? About us.
what was I looking at? I swear I was looking at one earlier. It was about real estate.
Yeah, this isn't the only one.
Can't find that favorite.
Maybe it's this. Watch that.
Or was it? It was Algorand. Okay.
Oh, here we go. Like they own this property right here. This rental. They own a few. They don't have anything crazy yet, but it's still in the early stages. But okay, here we go. Got this one. Got that one. Pretty sure Proppy was another one of them. That's on my list somewhere. Where's Proppy? Right here.
Oh, that chart was
Or by the
hideous.
beach. Ryan,
Yeah,
it looked like a hotel by the beach.
it did. It did. Let's check out that Iris net. Are you up pretty big on this one, John? Iris net?
Check. I don't remember how much I put in.
It says it's up 75% over the last day.
This is the one last night. As soon as I put in, like in 2 minutes, it went down -5 profit. I went to sleep. I woke up, and it was up like +10. So, never go off first impressions.
Well, I was about to say, kind of like in life, don't focus on the positive. Negative.
+8 right now on a 25 investment. Looks like it's about to level out though. Something about last night. It spiked around 6 a.m. Eastern time. I think I got in. What time was it? It was probably around like 1 or 2.
So when do you guys think Bitcoin is going to cross 100,000?
Christmas. I think it'll be a Christmas gift.
Say Christmas. What about you, Kagan?
December 21st.
Okay. I'm going to say, you know what? I'm going to say next, I think by next Thursday.
Getting super close and then just going back down. It was like 98 and then it goes back down to like 96.
Hey, should we put a wager on that?
I mean, if you're going to wager anything, I
Prediction?
think that's the thing to wager on right there. That's a big number.
So which coin should we wager with?
Mm.
That's interesting. It's gotta be something we all have. Is there one that we all have?
I mean, I think that like if we're betting on Bitcoin, you should probably like wager Bitcoin. Wouldn't you say?
Well, we are in Bitcoin. All right. So I'm December 21st. Ron's December 5th. Ron, are you legit like on the day of?
I would say just say it hits it by this date. So like if it hits it by, I think it's going to hit it before. I think it'll hit
Well,
it
the
before
winner would
Thursday.
be who's closest.
It's closest, right?
Yeah.
Like around Christmas break week, like 2 weeks before earliest.
I mean, you gotta pick a good day now.
Okay, December 14th.
I'll say by December 7th.
You're changing yours to Saturday.
I think by the end of the first week of December, I think we get it.
I'm putting you down as 7.
All right.
Whoever loses has to send the winner all their Bitcoin.
Not all of it.
All?
Let's just do like I don't know, like $10. Say $10. Nothing.
Okay, not all their Bitcoin, all their market share.
How about a percentage?
Percentage.
50%.
50% what?
Of your Bitcoin.
That's a terrible deal.
Yeah, heck no. They only have like $20 in Bitcoin. Get on the back.
I've got like $600 in Bitcoin. I'm not giving you three. I'm not betting $300.
Well, you're right.
I'm not that confident.
$10 just a weak wager.
Hello.
Hello?
The ticker needs to be brought up a little bit. Things got shifted down.
Oh, did they? They bring up OBS. Oh, I don't like that.
Ticker and your camera.
How's that
Why
look?
does it do that every time? Yeah, I mean, that's much better, yeah.
All right. Had I not sold any crypto from last time, I'd have. Oh my goodness.
Go to Cardano.
I was just thinking about that.
Hey, John, are you in Cardano?
No, but I just saw it twice, so
No?
it's telling me to go check it.
Cardano's good. It's a good project.
Ryan
Ooh.
paid me Cardano to help build his gym equipment
Yeah.
4 years ago.
I used to have like 25,000 Cardano. I wish I still had it.
Yeah, I like that chart.
Well, look at the all-time chart. I mean,
Yeah, it did pretty well.
Go to a month.
monthly. Yeah, that's a very good monthly chart.
I've been staking Cardano for like 3 years now.
Really?
2 or 3 years, yeah.
That's what's up. We'll look at VeChain. VeChain and Cardano were my top two from
I
the
have
last
I
cycle.
have some beach. I think I second that for a year. I don't have as much in it.
I got in back here. Or no, I got in back here. Yeah, around here. It was like half a cent. At my peak, I had 500,000 of these.
Yeah, I remember that was like one of the first things you tried explaining to me was VeChain.
Yeah. I traded all my
that
XRP for
video on
VeChain.
what 4 years ago or
Yeah.
recently?
Well, no. Yeah, back then. I think when I first got into crypto, I was really into XRP. And then I learned about VeChain. And I was all about VeChain, which turned out to be the much better play because XRP didn't do
Well,
much of
it
anything.
was the better short term. Yeah, I think XRP could be the better long term thing. Though. Gone through the
I,
most scrutiny. Well, Ripple has.
yeah. But really, my top holding I have now, I think this will be just as big, if not bigger, than XRP. Is this right here? Okay, so this is the future. This is going to be like a pillar of society right here. AI. Let's play right here.
Hey,
I guess I'll
Ryan, I
get.
think you need to fix your mic or something.
How do I sound right now?
You're good.
Okay. This thing has so much upside.
Is that your mic, Kagan, or is that Ryan's mic? I can't tell if that's in Discord or what.
I hear it too. I'm not sure. Is that mine?
Mute our audio and then let's see it on stream.
On Discord, right?
Hello?
No, Ryan, mute desktop audio on OBS and then start talking and see.
All right. Let's see. Is it my audio? Yeah, I think. Yeah, I just heard a. Sounds good now. I don't hear that
Sounds
static.
good now.
Yeah, you're good now. Oh, there's so many different things we can go over in these streams. Like, there's so much to like cover. I think tomorrow we'll go over peak.
Since we already had that little mishap there, the 3 views is that Ryan, me, and John?
We're at. Where do you see that at?
I'm on Rumble.
It'll likely end up being more than 3 because I think the last
It
one.
was earlier. Earlier, it was more than it was definitely more than 3 earlier. But then we had the mic issues, and then yeah, number started dropping,
Uh,
which is why I brought it up.
It'd be nice if they followed. A new streamer on the come up. Me and Ryan were talking about having giveaways later on for our followers.
yeah. That's
I give away like crypto or just anything really.
it's definitely a way to promote the channel. I'll tell you, I hear a lot about this Sui. That's one that Raul Pal is very bullish on. My boy Raul. That's my financial advisor right there. I'm not a financial advisor for as a legal disclaimer. This is for entertainment purposes only. If you want a financial advisor, go to Raul Pal.
Is Rob Powell that black guy you sent me the other day?
Ah, no, that's Ian Bellina. He's the Token Metrics founder. Now Raul Pal's the I don't know if he's Australian.
Probably showing me.
Might be
Probably showing me.
Australian. All right. Well, I think we might just wrap up the stream right there. It was a short stream, but it had the content we needed. I think tomorrow we'll look at Peak, and we'll probably throw in another project to look at too. We might
Throw a
go
lot of
further
them.
into Toncoin.
Throw like a. You could do like one or two like a day for the week.
Yeah, we can do that.
Make a list. We can make our viewers make a list.
Sure. If anyone out there is watching, whoever out there is watching this, if you want us to go over certain cryptos, drop them in the comments below, and we'll make a list and be sure to cover those projects. And I'll give you my thoughts on them. And we'll look at the tokenomics and do a deep dive into the project itself. So,
Bring
otherwise,
up your
we'll
ex.
say what?
Bring up your ex.
I don't know if I should bring up my X. I'm not sure if I'm logged into the channel's X. This is switch accounts. Market Pulse Crypto. Follow us over here on Market Pulse Crypto on Twitter.
Yeah, if you want to follow that, and you can always comment and tag us any questions, anything you want Ryan to go over, just let us know.
And we'll do it. Well, actually, let's go ahead and before we sign off, I think tomorrow we'll go over Peak Network. Let's talk a little bit about Toncoin, and then are there any? What about you guys? Do you think is there any project you think I should go over in particular, or one that you want me to look at that you might be curious about?
Render.
Render?
I'm curious about Render. Heard quite a
I
few
think
things about it.
that's a good one. Okay, so we'll go over Render. We'll go over Toncoin, and we'll go over Peak. So that's what we'll do tomorrow. Maybe I can even give some price projections because I know people just love the price projections, price predictions. But anyway, yeah, we'll do it again tomorrow, same time. Same place.
Sounds good, Sensei.
All right. Well, I hope you guys have a good night. And